As technology improves every day, new developments are constantly infiltrating our lives. Whether it's the way you shop, how you communicate with friends, the job you do, or the way you travel, technology is transforming the way we behave. Take healthcare for example. Breakthroughs in information gathering, research, treatments, and communication have given medical providers new tools to work with and fresh way to practice medicine. Thanks to machines, medicine, and treatments provided by technology, we have better treatments and less suffering. In fact, sophisticated medical practice and new technology make healthcare effective and help patients heal directly. Not only that computers made it easier for hospitals to manage their database, it also, in association with the internet, made it easier for the healthcare facilities to reach patients, using social media and dedicated websites. In fact, the number of persons who are using online healthcare information has reached over 24 million in the US only in 2009. Communication technologies made interaction between doctors and patients easier so that now the patient can be treated directly from his house without leaving it. In addition to that, technology made it easier for the exchange of experiences between them. So if you want to see more how technology improves healthcare services, come and join us on Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015 at INSET.